Hi everybody, welcome to Network Elite. This video is about how to start learning Linux from scratch and also why you should care about Linux. Maybe you are currently junior sysadmin, or you are a student, or you just want to update your knowledge about Linux operating system environment. And you've decided to be certified in Linux to start your career. In addition, whether you are starting your career in open source or looking for advancement independently, verifying your skill set in Linux can help you stand out to your management team. This Linux Essentials course also serves as a great introduction to more complete and advanced Linux professional certification track. In this Linux Essentials full course provided by Network Elite, you will have an understanding of the Linux and open source industry and knowledge of the most popular open source applications, understand the major components of Linux operating system, and have technical proficiency to work on Linux command line, and have a basic understanding of security and administration related topics such as user or group management, working on the command line, and permissions. Now let's answer the simple well-known question, why I should learn Linux. The short answer is divided up to three parts. Linux is everywhere, Linux is versatile, and Linux is a community. Linux is on nearly every server and there is no way around it, and it's built firmly on top of the Linux kernel, and if you want to understand and work with servers, you need to understand Linux. Linux has powerful native terminal and shell which you can interact with your system directly. Linux will give you more freedom than you've ever desired. You can break anything you want and fix it too. Linux is built on exactly this philosophy, which a problem is one system shouldn't affect another. With a strong kernel with flexibility of Linux and widely tested packages to support it. Also, security is a main part of the Linux working environment because the system is completely built by an open source community, which number of experts are constantly examining the system for security issues. Linux is open source means more secure, and free means widely used. Also, the cost of your operating system may not be something you put much thought into. Okay, before we dive into this journey, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get notified about ongoing new courses, and also please write down your comments and questions about the course below. Thank you.